Jadel, we're starting things off with a cocktail this morning.
That is good.
That's how we roll on the show.
Nice.
To get through carnival tobacco, sometimes you need a little drink or so.
We need a little, definitely.
You need a drink. And thanks to the folks at Absolute, we're doing absolutely lovely cocktails.
Okay, great.
And we have our master mixologist in the house, Ravi, Deonarine. Ravi is also the Krave restaurant. Ravi, welcome, brother.
Thank you for having me.
So Ravi, what are you doing for us this morning?
Today I created a more citrusy, for carnival on the road. The sun is hot, so I want to do something refreshing. So it consists of watermelon, cucumbers, a bit of peach, a bit of lychee, and of course the absolute product that we have available here today.
Sounds good. Let's get cracking.
First of all, I just put about 5 slices of fresh cucumbers.
You just mash and muddle all the cucumbers.
Yeah.
That's the thing already.
So that's that there. Add some lime.
So lime and cucumbers have a refreshing vibe already.
So we just add ice. And now we go to the vodka. So we start off with pear.
So that's pear flavored vodkas. Yes, so Absolute has an entire range of flavored vodkas now. So yeah, that's pear flavored. Which one is that, Ravi?
This is the Absolute Citron.
So that's a kind of citrus vibe.
On the palate, it's a little more tangy when it goes down than the pear, which is a little more sweet.
Right.
So here I have some lychee. Then we have some peach.
Do you get peach from, bro?
That's Krave.
You bring that from Krave?
Yep.
Krave our peaches.
And here we have our watermelon.
That's juice watermelon?
Yeah, it's the mix.
Yeah.
So now I'll shake.
Are you a cocktail girl?
Well, yes, I love it.
You love cocktails?
And I love how it's pretty.
Yeah.
Yes, so I'm excited.
Color Ravi. Prettiness. I look like Carnival Tuesday. Pretty costume. Pretty costume. Pretty mask.
So just to garnish it off.
Yeah. That's like the headpiece.
But the headpiece is coming up here.
Yeah.
Wow.
I'll take the blue straw.
Pink is my favorite.
You're big pan, so that's what you say. Do you mind, Ravi, if I name this drink?
No, not a problem.
I'll name this. I want to name this round and round.
Okay.
So this one is called round.
Wrong done wrong. All right.
Wrong.
Good. Thank you. My own specialized drink.
Yes. You understand?
Thank you.
Cheers, my dear.
Thank you. Cheers. My God. Absolutely amazing.
Absolutely amazing.
Wow.
Thanks to the folks at Absolute Vodka for making this one possible.
Wow.
And I want to big up my master mixologist, Ravi Deonarine, in the house. Ravi, thank you very much, my brother. Cheers.
No problem.
Cheers. It's amazing.
This is
Definitely.
Carnival Tuesday, right? Carnival Tuesday, right? Wrong and wrong.
Nah, definitely.
We coming back. Jadel is in the house, ladies and gentlemen. When we come back, we roll out the recipe. Stay with us.